Hi and welcome to Business with Joe. I'm Joe and thanks for coming to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can make extra money, and this is just one video in a series of 9, so in total you'll see 80 plus ideas for you to make some more money. All you need is either a computer or a phone with internet access, or the ability to walk around your local town or city, because all the things I'm going to tell you about you'll be able to do with the skills you already have or are new jobs that are easy to start. In this video I'm going to show you 9 jobs where you can start making some serious money almost immediately. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit the alert bell. Each week I'll be posting new videos, so don't miss out on the opportunities I'll be posting in the coming weeks. If you work a normal 9 to 5 job, then all you can earn is your wage. Maybe if you're lucky you can get the occasional bonus, but most of the time all you'll get is set pay. This is known as an active income, as you can't really change to a great degree your monthly wage. You only get paid for the work you complete. In this video I'm going to show you several ways you can increase this active income, but I'm also going to tell you lots of ways to make a passive income. With a passive income you could be asleep or out with your friends and you'll still be earning money. How cool is that? With most passive income models, all you have to do is put in the work once and the money in theory should keep coming in, with no other work needed, other than doing some marketing for what you or other people have made or a product or service you are promoting. Before we start, let me tell you that the websites or companies that I'm suggesting in this video are all from personal experience of actually using them, or someone that I know has recommended them to me. I will tell you if it's an affiliate link to any of the sites, but again, I'm only recommending links because of personal use or recommendations. You'll be able to find links to any of the sites I mentioned below in the description. So let's get going. 73. Become a life coach. Do you love personal development and enjoy helping people? If that's you, you could consider becoming a life coach. Life coaching is a vast field, so it gives you a large range to choose from. This helps coaches market their services to a specific type of clientele and gives potential customers confidence that the coach has experience and expertise helping people with their unique challenges. Some of the possible areas you could look at are business, career advice and job searching, relationships, academic issues, spirituality, work-life balance, weight loss and general well-being. Earning a certification can go a long way towards gaining the trust of potential clients. Credentials, which are provided by professional associations like the International Coach Federation or the International Association of Coaching, requires expertise and demonstrations of high work standards. Although getting these accreditations might take time, once you start helping someone get over a life challenge, this will be a great reward, plus you'll build up a great client base that should give you good living. 74. Rent out baby equipment. Do you have a room full of baby equipment? Do you live in a popular tourist area? Did you know you could make a lucrative side money renting baby equipment to families holidaying in your area? People often travel with a full car but can't fit everything in. Why not advertise in local B&Bs and hotels that you could supply prams, carry cots, cribs and even toys? Holidaying families might be a good start, or you could look at renting out to almost anybody with a new baby. Kids quickly grow out of things, so renting might be cheaper for some people than always buying, but for you this could be a great way to start a little business. 75. Working abroad. If you can speak another language, then have you ever thought about working abroad? Okay, so it's not working from home, but it's a great chance to travel the world and get paid for it. Or, if you have a second language and wanted to work from home, you could look at home translation jobs. Being bilingual opens up a lot of possibilities for legitimate work from home opportunities, such as jobs at bilingual call centres, translation jobs, online teaching and more. Many translation jobs are done by freelancers, but some companies hire home-based translators as employees. Just type in home translation services into Google and you'll be surprised how many jobs come up. Or if you want to travel, try the same search but with abroad instead of home. If you just want to travel and don't mind if you get paid or not, then you could look at Workaways, which is one we've used. The site pairs up people travelling with hosts that need some work doing. We've had quite a few, as we have a small holding and always need things doing. We offer a comfy bed, 3 meals a day for 5 hours work helping around the place. They get the weekend off to explore the local area, and we made some lifelong friends with people that have stayed with us. 76. Be a baker, caterer or chef. If you have a knack for baking or cooking, then turn this passion into a business. From your own kitchen, you could start a catering business. If you're a baker, you could sell cakes to friends, neighbours, online or at markets. Cakes for special occasions that have a personal touch can be very lucrative. Let parent groups know what you offer, or place an ad in the local paper. Do craft markets and show off what you can make, or even give away free tasters for people to see how good your cakes are. Or if you feel you can cope with cooking for a large number of people, then you could start a catering business. You will probably need to have a professional kitchen, or you could see if you could use another business place when they're not using it. Building up a catering business is going to take time, and word of mouth is very important. Try a small business group that meet over lunch, or parties or events, weddings, etc. This might be daunting at first, but you can always build it up slowly. 77. Grant writer. Universities, hospitals and non-profit organisations often need to apply for grant money. Since these applications can not only be difficult to write but also very time-consuming, smaller companies and charities are often looking for help. I personally know people that do this for a living, and they take a small percentage for every successful grant they write and are successful with. This route can be up and down with regards to your income when you are first getting going, but once you are up and running and gaining experience and getting results, then your income could be very good. 78. Participate in market research. Taking part in market research online can be one of the most reliable ways to make money. Businesses use the results from market research in order to improve their brand marketing. As part of market research program, you'll be answering online questionnaires. You'll be paid for every questionnaire or survey completed, and it's a good way to earn money sat at home on your computer. The money paid for each survey will vary depending on the company and the type of market research. Some companies pay $10 a survey, while others pay a lot more. The following links are just some of the well-known paid survey sites for market research. 79. Social media manager. Social media for any business is becoming more and more important. Businesses are willing to spend good money in order to have someone manage their social media accounts. If you have a good amount of knowledge on the most effective ways to increase followers on social media platforms, you could work from home as a social media manager. Start local maybe. Search businesses near where you live and check out their social media. You'd be surprised how many still don't use social media to attract work. Put together a business proposal and then either cold call, drop in for a chat, or try and find someone to introduce you to the owner. You can either work for free and take a percentage of any new work you get for this business, although this method is risky, but it shows the owner, who might be sceptical, how confident you are at getting work through social media. Alternatively, you can negotiate a set fee for so many hours per week. Again, I have a friend that runs a social media company. She started on her own and now employs 6 other people. Interestingly, one of the people that works for her lives abroad in Spain. So it's a good example of remote working, and also that a business can have employees anywhere in the world. Once you have a few businesses under your belt, you can use these examples of what you can do to offer to large companies and firms for bigger contracts. 80. A virtual bookkeeper. If you run a small business, you'll probably need a bookkeeper at some point. Being a bookkeeper varies depending on the size and nature of your business. At small companies, bookkeeper may be involved processing invoices, billing and following up on unpaid invoices, payroll and managing any cash and accounts balances. A bookkeeper's work is often reviewed by an accountant and the small business owner. The qualifications of a bookkeeper include business sense, attention to detail, speed, accuracy, ability to adapt to changes in technology, understanding of debts and credits, and a general understanding of a financial statement. With companies wanting to control the cost, having a bookkeeper online is a great way of doing this, so there is an ample opportunity to grow this business. If you are interested and don't have the necessary qualifications, then take a look at Udemy for their online courses. 81. Create an online store with dropshipping. Dropshipping is a retail fulfillment method where you don't have to keep products you sell in stock. Instead, when you sell a product, the item is being held by a third party, is then shipped directly to the customer. As a result, you never see or handle any of the products you are selling. The difference between dropshipping and a normal retail model is that you don't own stock or inventory. Instead, you purchase the inventory as needed by a third party, usually a wholesaler or manufacturer, to fulfill these orders. Your profit is the difference between what your customers are willing to pay and what the dropshipping company charges you. Have a look at this great article from Big Commerce, where they explain and also list dropshipping fulfillment centers. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and don't forget to look out for the next one in this series. Please remember to subscribe and click on the bell so you'll be notified when the next video comes out. Good luck with earning money, guys, and remember, you can have results or excuses, but you can't have both.